It's Nick here at John Mulholland Motors. We're physically closed but digitally open, and I just wanted to present to you today my car of the week. So here it is here. It's a stunning 2018 VRS, and it's the 2-litre TDI, 184 brake horsepower DSG, which is your automatic. But the 19-inch alloy wheels, which are absolutely immaculate, they're the xtreme alloy wheels. They're in immaculate condition. We also have, coming around to the front, we've got the gloss black front grille, gloss black mirrors, and at the time when this car was new, this was the exclusive colour that you could have got a VRS in, and almost £1,000 in fact for the colour. In the boot, as you'd expect with an Octavia, absolutely huge. It has the spare wheel as well, which again is a rarity in this day and age. And got the backrest releases, 12-volt socket. In the car itself, as I said, very well maintained, very well looked after. It's got the Alcantara and cloth quilted upholstery with the black decals to match in with the exterior colour. Rear heating vents for the rear passengers, and then we've got this nice ambient lighting which is changeable. About 10 different colours to choose from. Just inset into this carbon fibre effect trim. You just see the metallic paint there popping in the sunlight. Also has keyless entry and start system. See there are mats throughout in the car and mud flaps. Just the one owner from new, and nice service history on it also. Inside, a few factory options on the car aside from the paint. The car has the heated seats, so it's got the winter pack, it's got the heated seats, the heated windscreen. The emergency sat nav was standard at the time, so it has that, and also the heated washer nozzles, and again in the DSG. Very nice to use with the paddle shifts and the flat bottom steering wheel. Of course, the black headcloth that you get on the VRS looks very sporty also. There's 3 keys in the car as well. Car's just covered over 25,000 miles. So currently in this particular moment in time, we have COVID secure processes in place for handover, and also this car could be yours. You could drive away in this car today for £699 deposit and £299 a month, which is excellent value for money for this type of car. Please contact myself, Nick, or one of my ŠKODA colleagues. We'd only be too glad to help. Thanks very much for watching, folks. Bye now.